Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. Long ago, in a prosperous kingdom surrounded by fertile land and fields and flowing rivers, there ruled a wise but proud king. He was respected by his people for his justice and admired for his wealth. The king had three daughters, all intelligent, graceful, and eager to learn. Wanting them to become wise and capable rulers one day, the king sent all the three to a famous Gurukul, where they studied scripture, ethics, life skills, and the true meaning of values. Years passed. The day finally came when all the princesses returned home. The entire palace was filled with joy. The king was eager to see how much his daughter has learned, not only from books, but from life itself. That evening, the king called his trusted Mahamantri, that is, chief minister, and said, I want to test my daughters' understanding of love, wisdom, and truth. Ask them a question that reveal their hearts. The next morning, in the royal court, the Mahamantri stood before the three princesses and asked, How much do you love your father, the king? The eldest princess stepped forward confidently and said, Respected minister, I love my father as much as the brightest gold and the most precious jewel in this kingdom. The king smiled proudly. The courtiers nodded in approvals. Then the second princess spoke. I love my father as much as the sweetest honey and the most fragrant flowers in the royal garden. Once again the court applauded and king felt pleased and honored. Finally, the youngest princess stepped forward. She spoke softly but firmly. I love my father as much as salt is needed in food. The entire court felt silent. The king's smile faded. He felt insulted. Salt? Something so common? Something found in every home? Compared to gold and honey, her words seemed dull and disrespectful. Angrily, the king said, Is that all? Salt is ordinary and cheap. Have you learned nothing in the Gurukul? Your answer shows the lack of understanding. Despite the youngest princess trying to explain, the king refused to listen. In his disappointment, he ordered that she be sent back to the Gurukul to learn proper values. The princess left quietly with tears in her eyes but no anger in her heart. The Mahamantri, however, was thoughtful. He sensed there was deep wisdom hidden in her words. A few days later, Mahamantri approached the king and said, Your Majesty, please allow me to conduct a small experiment. It will help you understand something important. And the king agreed. Mahamantri secretly instructed the royal cooks, For today's meal, breakfast and lunch and dinner, prepare everything exactly as usual, but do not add soil to any dish. When the king sat down for lunch, he took his first bite and frowned. The vegetable tastes strange, he said. At dinner, he tasted the soup and pushed the bowl away. This food has no taste at all. By night, the king was irritated and hungry despite of a table full of delicacies. He called the Mahamantri and demanded, What is wrong with the food today? Mahamantri bowed respectfully and replied, Your Majesty, the food is prepared with the finest ingredients, vegetables, spices, ghee and herbs. Only one thing is missing. What? Asked the king. Salt, said the Mahamantri calmly. At that moment, realization struck the kind king like lightning. He remembered his youngest daughter's words. Salt, simple, invisible, inexpensive, yet impossible to live without. The king's eyes filled with tears. I was blind to her wisdom. He said softly, "Gold and honey are valuable, but salt gives meaning to every meal, just as silent love gives meaning to life." Immediately, the king sent messengers to bring his youngest daughter back from the Gurukul. When she arrived, the king embraced her and said, "My child, forgive me. Your love was truest of all. You taught me that real value is not always loud or shining. It is often simple and essential." The princess bowed and replied, "Father, love does not need praise. Like salt, it works quietly but supports everything." From that day onwards, the king ruled with greater humility and wisdom. He honored not only grand words but also simple truths, and the story of the princess and the salt spread far and wide, teaching generations an unforgettable lesson. And this is all about our today's story. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's story. And the most important thing, what we learn. The moral of the story is true love and true values are often simple and silent. What seems ordinary may be the most essential, as in our story, Salt was. Never underestimate what quality supports life, like salt in food and love in relation. So this we learned from today's story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, and do subscribe to our channel. Tomorrow we'll meet with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Lots of blessings.